Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant forest, there lived a diverse community of animals. These animals included wise old owls, agile squirrels, swift deer, strong elephants, and many more. Each species had its unique strengths and abilities, but they rarely interacted with one another. One sunny morning, the forest faced a grave crisis. A mighty storm was brewing on the horizon, threatening to destroy their beloved home. The animals realized that they could not face this challenge alone. They needed to unite their strengths and abilities to protect their forest. The wise old owls, renowned for their wisdom, called a meeting of all the animals. As the creatures gathered around, the owl spoke, "My fellow creatures, the storm approaches, and we must stand together to protect our home. Alone, we are vulnerable, but together, we are unstoppable." The animals hesitated at first, unsure of how they could possibly work together with such diverse talents and skills. But then, a clever squirrel stepped forward. "Let's organize ourselves into teams," the squirrel suggested. "Each team will consist of different animals, and we'll use our unique strengths to tackle different aspects of this challenge." And so, the animals formed teams. The swift deer would scout for danger and warn the others. The strong elephants would use their powerful trunks to create barriers against the flooding waters. The crafty beavers would build shelters for the smaller creatures, while the birds used their wings to shelter and protect those on the ground. The wise old owls would keep watch and provide guidance. As the storm raged on, the animals worked tirelessly together, combining their individual strengths to face the adversity. They communicated, coordinated, and supported each other through the most challenging moments. It wasn't always easy, and there were disagreements along the way, but they remembered their common goal, to protect their beloved forest. Finally, after days of hard work and unity, the storm began to recede. The forest was battered but still standing. The animals cheered, and a feeling of immense pride washed over them. They had done it. They had protected their home through the power of unity. As time passed, the animals realized that they were no longer just different species living in the same forest. They were a true community, bound together by their shared experience. They continued to collaborate and support each other, not only in times of crisis, but also in their daily lives. The story of the animal kingdom's unity and resilience spread far and wide, inspiring not only their fellow creatures, but also humans who heard the tale. It taught everyone the invaluable lesson that when we put aside our differences and come together, we can achieve remarkable things. And so, the forest flourished, and the animals lived in harmony, forever celebrating the power of unity and the strength that comes from working together towards a common goal. They knew that together, they could overcome any challenge that came their way, for they were a shining example of what can be achieved when we stand together as one.